Now on this third step, we'll be setting up Pppoe on our Mikrotik. Back to downloads. We are still on the same folder. Now we'll fetch the Pppoe script. Here it is. Select all, copy and close. Back to system, scripts, add a new script, then paste the script on the source, then apply, then run. On the background, we have created a Pppoe bridge. Now we'll have to map a port or ports to be able to access the Pppoe script. Back to bridge, then ports. Let's use Ethernet. Earlier we had set Ethernet 4 and the wireless to be hotspot. Then port 3 we'll use it for PoE. So if you have a switch or you have a router, you can attach it on the interfaces that you have mapped on the Pppoe bridge. So back to our dashboard, we'll create a user. Let me add a user. I'll just give it a name of test123. Then a Pppoe password of test123. Then the name test user. The phone number. Then I select a package of test 5 Mbps. Then I extend the expiry so that it will be active. Then I submit. I've already created the user. Now let me for this demonstration I will use my the internal Pppoe option on the PC. Let's go to dial-up, add a new connection, set up a broadband. But on your end, you can just use a normal internet router like a Tender or a Huawei or TP-Link. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'll be using my internal broadband connection. Set up a connection, create a new connection, PoE. The username was test123 test123. Then connect. I think I was not connected to Ethernet 3. Now I am on Ethernet 3. Back to creating a Pppoe connection. Next, create a new connection. Set up a new connection. Next, next, then broadband Pppoe. Username is test 123. Password is still the same. So password, that's okay. Then I connect. Just give it a minute or some few seconds. So you can see it is testing the internet connection. Yeah, it's connected successfully. Back on the Pppoe page, users, Pppoe, test user. Yeah, you can see the user is already online in the last 26 seconds. Let me do a speed test. You can see I had assigned myself 5 Mbps. Yeah, test 5 Mbps. As you can see, it is performing well, and I cannot exceed the 5 Mbps. Back on the Mikrotik, you can see a Pppoe connection has been created. Even on the bridge, not bridge, PPP active connections, you can see there is a new user that I am using now from my PC. Test 1 2 3. I guess that's the end of creating or setting up Pppoe. Just a recap, for Pppoe there are no files you need to upload. Just copy the Pppoe script, then system scripts, add a new script, then paste the Pppoe script on the source property. On the next step, we'll be discussing, or I'll be showing you how to set up Pppoe and hotspot on the same bridge instead of different bridges. As you can see, as at now, I cannot access hotspot on Ethernet 3. I can only access Pppoe, but on the Ethernet 4 and 5, it's only Ethernet 4 and the WLAN, it is only hotspot. So we'll now create a new bridge that has both Pppoe and hotspot. See you on the next step.